Welcome to valleytoyota.ca. You're having a look at a 2015 Toyota Sienna SE, stock number 17226A. This van has 17,200 kilometers on it at the time of filming, and this was actually bought from us and serviced in Abbotsford by the previous owners who live in the Abbotsford area. They ended up buying a 2017 Toyota Sienna that we had here in stock. I actually bought the exact same van and in an SE trim and traded this one in here. It is accident free. We have the car proof vehicle history report on our website. If you're not already there, you can check that out at valleytoyota.ca. And what makes this van so unique is it only has 17,000 kilometers and it's a 2015 model that's accident free. In terms of chips, marks, scratches, blemishes, things like that, walking around it, I'm going to try and point out anything I notice here. Got a couple little marks here on the rear bumper. Nothing major. Just a couple little small blemishes there. Coming down the driver's side. Got a little bit of a chip there off the corner. A couple little rock chips that have been touched up there. It does have the hood deflector on it, which helps with deflecting rocks and debris. So we'll pop the back open here and give you a look. These are an 8-passenger van, so they have plenty of room inside. And the SE models are really well equipped. Not only are they the sportiest van, what we call the swagger wagon, but it also has the black interior, power sliding rear doors, and a power rear liftgate as well. So there's a middle seat that slides in here in the middle to make the center row, or sorry, the middle row, into a bench instead of dual captains. And that seat is stored in the back. You might have seen it in the shot when I was showing the back area. And power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat with power lumbar for the driver here. You can see condition-wise this van is very, very tidy inside. So we'll hop in here. We have traction control off. We have a button to turn off our power sliding door feature. We have an AM/FM CD player here with touchscreen display that also becomes our backup camera. Also has satellite radio equipped in there. We have our 3-zone climate control. We can control the driver's side, passenger side, and rear temp all independently or all at the same time. 6-speed automatic transmission. We have heated seats for the driver, front driver and passenger, as well as a USB and auxiliary input here. Nice little cargo box here for lots of storage. Cruise control. Menu control here for our TFT center display. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth control here, on hook, off hook with speech. And there's our mileage, 17,206 currently on the odometer. If you'd like to know more about this Toyota Sienna minivan, please chat with us anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our website at valleytoyota.ca. We're in the heart of the Fraser Valley. We're an hour from Vancouver, 45 minutes from Langley, and about 20 minutes from the Abbotsford area. We're about a 2.5-hour drive from Kamloops down the Coquitlam highway, and we'd love to talk to you more about this used Sienna van or any of the other used vehicles we have for sale. Thank you for watching.